some quality players on view today, so sit tight and enjoy the game. Well, let's see how the teams line up today.
They're playing 4-1-2-1-2. This diamond-shaped midfield supports both defence and attack.
They're going attacking with a 4-3-3 formation. Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today.
That's a rash challenge there. Finds his teammate. Won the ball.
Extraordinary conviction. The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same.
Suarez gets the shot in.
Oh, good block there. Good ball.
That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick.
It's Son. Araujo with the clearance. Now Nolito. Tapia in possession. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Now it's Mayo. Well cut out. That's good link-up play. That's nicely played.
Perfectly executed. Good distribution.
It's Son. The referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. Confident goalkeeping there. He chooses to throw this one out. Passed well. And it's half-time then. It's 1-0. The losing team have the next 45 minutes to turn things around.
Confident pass. Well timed then. Great defending. Neymar. Picked up by the defender.
Here's Mina. What a stop. Just the goalkeeper to beat now, and they've equalised.
Solid strike there, never in doubt. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
Aspas. That's a terrible tackle.
It's a yellow card, no arguments there from the player. Ooh, quality defending there. Oh, there's activity on the bench. Likely to see some fresh legs introduced shortly. Defender then back on the ball.
Great goal. And his teammates will join him to start the celebrations. Great goal there.
Finds his teammate. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break.
Great footwork there. Now Nolito. The shot's on.
Both these sides have had the same amount of chances.
That's full time then.